I'm just heading out to the garden to do my planting, and I want to show you what I have. So I've made a stake for each of the rows I'm going to plant so that I know what's in there. I've got all my seeds that I showed you before, as well as a couple new ones that I got. We've got some popcorn and then some zinnias to try and bring pollinators into the garden with some flowers, and I can cut them and bring them in the house too. So let's head out and get planting. I'm also going to be adding these to the garden at some point. If you watched our growing food from scraps video that Gary posted, he showed you how you can regrow lettuce and green onions to cut and use for salads and whatever you like. And I've had a lot of success. As you can see, this one has a little flower coming at the top actually. This piece of lettuce, it's gotten really tall. And we have some Boston lettuce here. And then this is a bit of romaine that has just started. Now the green onions, I've cut them back a few times and they just keep growing, and you can see at the bottom they have a lot of roots. So as soon as it's warm enough, a bit warmer than it needs to be for the seeds, I'm going to attempt to plant them in the garden too and see how they do. This is what the zinnia seeds look like. They keep blowing away in the wind. They're very small. Pumpkins and gourds are done. Popcorn is done. Ornamental corn is done. And this year we've got some rows of grass between, with the idea that we can walk through without crushing the garden. So we're going to try that this year and see how it goes. Here's a little update on our peas. So they've probably been in about a month now. As you can see, they're all coming up really well. And I've heard they need something to climb up. And I have extra ornamental corn seeds, so I think I'm going to do another row right next to them there and see if that will work. They're supposed to be good partners in the garden, so let's see.